Hey folks, welcome back, and once again, thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm having a blast at this, guys, and I was, after 1,000, honestly wasn't sure I was going to get here, but I couldn't help but do a little giveaway. You've seen the giveaway thing, and I've got these three set boxes of the How to Barbecue Right 3-pack seasonings. And I've had, I don't know, it's been up a week, and I've had a little over 40, 42, 43 comments. So your chances are pretty good of being a winner. So we're about to get to this. But once again, guys, as this is being recorded, we're almost at 1,100. We're well on our way to moving on. So. Again, I can't thank you enough. I'm having a blast here. I'm just a guy here who cooks for his family and loves to make YouTube videos, and I'm just having a blast. And thank you all so much for subscribing, and thanks to all my viewers. We're going to be around a while. Time's a little tight as far as the time-wise, but we're still trying real hard to get a video out a week. So, guys, without further ado, is that how you said it? I don't know. With that, let's get over here on the computer and pick us a winner. Hey guys, bear with me here. I've only practiced this yesterday. I've never used one of these before. So, alright, got my video link in here of filtered out duplicate users. Got 43 unique comments. So, let's get down here and let's pick a winner. And let's get started. Here we go. Behind the Garage Barbecue, awesome. His comment was, congratulations on your 1K, Ken. Keep up the great cooks and the videos coming. Awesome. Thank you so much, sir. Awesome. I'm going to write you down here. Behind the Garage Barbecue. Awesome. There's winner number one. I will leave my email address down below. If you're friends with me on Facebook, you can get a hold of me through private messenger, but you can also email me. Again, email down below. Let's pick another winner. And the winner is... I'm going to butcher this name. Neil Hushikal. Awesome. Keep the videos coming. I look forward to them. Awesome. Thank you so much, Neil. Neil, same to you, buddy. Let me write your name down. All right, guys. There's our two winners. Again, I have my emails below. And if you're friends with me on Facebook or on my Ken Rogers Mostly Outdoors Facebook page, you can get a hold of me there and give me your mailing address. Alright guys, so there you have it. Behind the Garage Barbecue and Neil Neil, you know who you are. You've seen it there. Send me an email or a comment, private message, whatever you got to do. Again, my email will be listed below. Let me know who you are, where I need to send this to, and you guys win. Congratulations, guys, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Guys, we got so much more to do. I'm having a blast. We got so much more to come. So as of right now, this is it, guys. Until the next giveaway and until the next video. Cheers to you, folks. God bless you. Bye-bye.